Hey guys, how's it going? This is JP with the SafeInvestor.com. Today I'm going to bring to you guys another J series model, the JS5930 E5. This is definitely for the collectors out there, either of purses, jewelry, even watches, I would say. The safe comes standard in this white gloss finish. It is constructed of a 12 gauge steel body. The door does have a 1/4 plate behind the lock for extra security. It does come also standard with a digital ESL5 American security lock. And the measurements for these are 59 inches on height by 30 on width and 21 on depth. Inside you'll find yourself with multiple adjustable shelves, and it does come also with an 8 jewelry drawer, 6 small ones and 2 bigger ones on the bottom. It also has a fire rating of 45 minutes. And you also get this nice large mirror. I mean, you always want to check yourself out a little bit before you head out. You also do get 4 necklace holders instead of 2 for you guys that love to have your necklace on you all the time. Perfect place to store it would be inside the safe. It does come standard also with 4 pre-drilled bolt down holes. And also, let's take a quick look inside. You'll find that it also has 4 separate LED lights, and they're also motion censored, so you could always change that setting. Inside the jewelry drawers, you'll find multiple layouts. In the first ones, you'll find that it's just an empty carcass. You could put whatever you want in here. I would say documents would be good to place in here, maybe a passport. And then you come a little bit further down. Now you have inserts, I would say, for rings, necklaces, earrings. And further down on the last 2, you do get a different layout as well, but this one actually has little sponges for watches. If you are a watch collector, you want to put your watches in a safe place, a safe essentially. It does come with 4 in each drawer, so you get a total of 8 watch sponges. This safe does come with the faux leather interior as well, and as you can see, is well nicely stitched, well put together. And like I said earlier, any way you want to change the shelving, you can, which is really nice, especially nowadays. And also, another little security measure that this safe does offer is the polyester seal that's around here. That seal, what it does in case of a fire, it expands and it keeps the smoke out of the safe, keeping everything in here smoke free. Just want to thank you guys for stopping by. If you guys have any questions, concerns regarding the JS5930 E5, feel free to check out our online store at SafeInvestor.com, or feel free to give us a call at any time, and we're happy to help you guys out. Thank you, and you guys have a nice one.